Hello, I'm just going to show you that we're going to see if we can troubleshoot what's going on with your email. So right now I'm in my account. So I just want you to see that all it takes is I go down here and I can what's called impersonate you. So it's where I actually am pretending to be you and I'm in your account. So now you can see up here that I am you. So this is what your account looks like. If I was to do anything in it, I could send an email and it would actually come as you. So you are identifying, I see that you've set up this, which is good. So you can actually use those externally as well. You can log in to using that login and password into Gmail, and then you can actually send things from there as well. And the key thing is, if you are logged into that app's email, then you are able to create documents and send them through there. So that was the whole point of uploading that. So you said you're not able to send an email within D2L. This is VLE, D2L, Brightspace. There's so many different names for it. So we just click on this right here and we go to email. You can see all the emails that I've sent to you. And so when you close or go from there, that's all you need to do. So you can just type up and you can type in my name, or you can respond to any of those and you just click right there. Tell me this is from me. Type up your body. This is how I email. And then you just send that. And I'm just going to show you that what's going to appear in mine is that same email. So that's all it is right up there. You click email and then it brings you to this page right here where you compose a new email. Or if you go into some of mine here, oh, I realized I sent that last night. Anyway, sorry, just having an epiphany there. You can just reply to those too if you just want to find an old email, if you want to send it directly to me as well. So we're just going to go into my account and I'm just going to show you that I can now see that email from you. There it is right there. So that's how you email within D2L. You are welcome to do whatever works best for you, but just wanted to show you that. If you're accessing it from the app, the Pulse app, maybe that is limited depending on how you're accessing it, but this is how you access it on a computer. The mobile version, if you're logging in through a browser, should appear the same. It's just clicking through it a little bit differently. So if that's your challenge, if you're working on a mobile device or you're working in the Pulse app and you're not able to email me, let me know and I'll see if I can troubleshoot a video that shows you how to do that.